What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to one of how to smartphones tutorial videos on the iPhone 12. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to turn the flashlight on and off on the iPhone 12, and I'll also show you guys how to adjust the brightness of the flashlight. You can make it brighter or dimmer, so I will be doing that. First thing, just a couple ways to turn that flashlight on. Off of your home or your lock screen, you will see the little flashlight icon right down here in the lower left-hand corner. If you press and hold, you will feel a little bit like a pulse or a vibration. And at that point, your camera has been turned on. This is the shortest and the quickest way. Turning it off, same thing. Press and hold, just kind of like a couple second press, and it turns off. Let's say you are in your device. One of the ways to do it is if you're swiping from the top on the top left-hand corner of the device, it takes you right back to that lock screen, to the notification screen. You'll also see your flashlight icon appear there. If you're going from the right side, you will see that your little shortcut menu here pops up, and from there you're able to turn the flashlight on and off as well. And as far as controlling your brightness on your flashlight, press and hold for, it's just like a 2-second, like a long press, and it pops up, the screen pops up. It gives you the option to control the brightness of your light. So just watch it right back here as I change brightnesses. You guys can see how that moves, and let's say you have it set to, this middle one, and it goes right back to that middle one. So if you press and hold, it stays on that middle one until you change it. If you want it to the brightest, you leave it on the brightest, and just like that, you can select it on and off. So that's just my quick tutorial video on how to turn the flashlight on and off on the iPhone 12. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to share it. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with anybody who might be looking for this information. That's all I got from you guys in this one. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.